Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks on how to increase your YouTube watch time. As you may know, watch time is a critical metric that YouTube uses to determine the success of your channel. The more time viewers spend watching your videos, the higher your chances of getting recommended by YouTube's algorithm. So, if you want to grow your channel and increase your views and subscribers, watch time is something that you need to focus on. Tip #1. Create engaging content. The first tip for increasing your YouTube watch time is to create engaging content. Your videos should be informative, entertaining, and relevant to your audience. Start your videos with a hook that grabs your viewers' attention and keep them engaged throughout the video. Use storytelling, humor, and other techniques to keep your viewers glued to their screens. Tip #2. Optimize your video length. The second tip for increasing your YouTube watch time is to optimize your video length. You should aim to create videos that are long enough to provide value to your viewers, but not too long that they lose interest. Generally, videos that are between 5-15 minutes long tend to perform well on YouTube. However, keep in mind that the length of your videos should always be dictated by the content you are presenting. Tip #3. Use playlists. The third tip for increasing your YouTube watch time is to use playlists. Playlists are a great way to keep viewers engaged and watching more of your content. Group related videos together into playlists, and encourage viewers to watch them in sequence. This will increase the likelihood that viewers will watch multiple videos on your channel, leading to a higher watch time. Tip #4. Promote your videos. The fourth tip for increasing your YouTube watch time is to promote your videos. Use social media, email lists, and other channels to promote your videos and encourage viewers to watch them. The more exposure your videos get, the more views and watch time they are likely to receive. So there you have it. Those are my top tips for increasing your YouTube watch time. Remember, creating engaging content, optimizing your video length, using playlists, promoting your videos, and analyzing your data are all critical factors that can help you increase your watch time and grow your channel. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content.